He woke up at 3:17 a.m. again, and his body was screaming for help, as if something inside him was deeply wrong. Meet Frank, a 68-year-old retired mechanic from Arizona, a man who spent his life fixing broken things.
He used to be the guy everyone trusted to fix their car and get them back on the road.
Now he can't even fix his own sleep, no matter how hard he tries.
Every night, without fail, he wakes up at exactly 3:17 a.m., like his body is set to an alarm. His heart starts racing fast and hard, pounding in his chest. His mind begins buzzing non-stop with thoughts he can't shut off. He lies there helpless, staring at the ceiling like it's a clock counting down his life. Frank thought this was just getting older, something he had to accept. But the truth was far more dangerous than he ever imagined. At that hour of the night, cortisol should be at its lowest level, allowing the body to rest.
Cortisol is your stress hormone, designed to protect you in emergencies.
It's what makes your body run, fight, and survive when danger appears.
But Frank's body thought it was still daytime, even in the middle of the night.
Cortisol spiked suddenly, flooding his system with stress signals. His brain snapped awake, alert and tense, as if danger was near. His sleep was stolen night after night without mercy. And this didn't just ruin his nights or leave him tired. It slowly aged his brain, making him feel older than his years. It weakened his muscles and slowed his physical recovery. It increased his risk of memory loss and stroke as the months passed. One morning, Frank checked his sleep app, desperate for answers. It showed he was waking up 4 times every single night. His doctor looked at the data and said, "Your cortisol curve is flipped. Your body is stuck in survival mode and doesn't know how to rest." Frank didn't want pills that came with side effects. He didn't want expensive supplements pushed by ads. He just wanted one normal, peaceful night of sleep again. So he started searching for real solutions, not quick fixes. That's when he discovered something truly shocking. You can lower nighttime cortisol with just 1 simple tablespoon. Not a drug that numbs your brain. Not a prescription written on a pad. Not a complicated routine that's hard to follow. Just 1 tablespoon of something natural from your own kitchen. Today, I'm revealing 6 one-tablespoon sleep restorers used by seniors. They calm your nervous system and balance cortisol naturally. And number 2 shocked researchers by working faster than prescription sedatives. Number 6 is raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. 1 tablespoon in warm water, taken 30 minutes before bed. It stabilizes blood sugar and prevents midnight cortisol crashes. Number 5 is magnesium glycinate powder. Most seniors are dangerously low in magnesium without realizing it. 1 tablespoon before bed helps your brain produce GABA, the calming neurotransmitter. Frank felt a wave of calm within 20 minutes for the first time in years. Number 4 is tart cherry juice concentrate. It contains natural melatonin and powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. 1 tablespoon before bed improves deep sleep and REM cycles. Number 3 is ashwagandha root powder. This adaptogen resets your body's stress response over time. After 2 weeks, Frank stopped waking up in panic and fear. Number 2 is raw, local, unprocessed honey. 1 tablespoon before bed prevents cortisol spikes and racing heartbeats. Frank finally slept through the night without waking in terror. Number 1 is glycine powder. 1 tablespoon before bed lowers core body temperature and signals the brain it's time to sleep. Studies show glycine reduces awakenings and nighttime cortisol levels. Frank called it his miracle powder because nothing else worked. He didn't just get his sleep back, he got his life back. Sleep is not a luxury. It's your body's repair system. And when cortisol steals your sleep, it steals your future.
If this helped you, like it, share it, and stay with us. Better nights are coming.